It's still Tuesday, and the geysers have gotten way bigger. If you can see that little white thing at the bottom, those are the fittings attached to that K-Rain valve that was installed there with the slip fix on the discharge. Well, I gotta fix that now. And there you have it. There's the slip fix that caused the problem. Yes, the pipe is full of dirt, but that's what happens when the water shuts off and all the mud washes back down. We got it exposed. I'm gonna remove the threaded coupling that's down there or the nipple so that I can come up and 90 over and flush the water out that direction. Let's get that done. This property manager just learned the difference between a standard valve and a scrubber valve. There goes the property manager. We've got it repaired. Now, we definitely didn't reuse or use another telescopic repair fitting because that's what caused this problem. We went ahead and did a 490s repair, mostly because the pipe coming out of the ground is coming out at an angle. And if I were to try to 90 directly into that pipe, it wouldn't have matched up because the angle was coming out like this. So that wouldn't have worked. This was the solution here. All that's left to do is put the boxes back in the hole, put the dirt back around the boxes, and then we're on to the next one.